your girl Ajana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below, and if you're returning, hey. So as you guys can see, I'm giving you guys this incredibly easy, super cute DIY two-piece set using just a simple shirt. So if you guys want to see how I got these super cute looks, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off by showing you guys me measuring where exactly I want my crop top to stop. So I'm using a little bit of makeup to make a little line there. It's way easier to undercut than overcut, so make sure you get your lines as straight as possible. Here I'm just cutting straight across, no tricky parts to this. So once I have cut the crop top, I actually take the bottom piece and cut off just a little slither. You don't want to cut off too much of this either, because you could make your skirt too short, because this does obviously shorten the length. So just take just a little bit, maybe like an inch section or so, and just cut off straight off the top. So once you have your section, you're just going to cut that in half, and this is actually going to be the string to your crop top. So you just take it down the middle and you tie it just like you would a shoe. You can tie this looser, you can tie this tighter, however you want the shirt to look, but this is the finishing look for this super cute outfit. So for this second look, it's even more simple. Basically, all you have to do is mark off your shirt again, make sure you got it to where you want it, and then just make your first cut. For the seams on this one, I actually did take some glue and fold the actual seam part that I cut of the skirt. So I'd say that's probably the only difference in this outfit, but the blue was really cute. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!